Hi guys, my name is Muhammad Ashraf Najmi bin Arazmi and I'm student from UiTM Singapore in Record Management under Faculty Information Management. So today I and my member group Nur Ayuni, Nur Fatiha and Nik Sahal have a task to do in our subject IMS 455 Support System and Maintenance. So a system is a collection of elements or components that are organized for a common purpose. So the organization use the system to ensure their workers can do their work effective and efficiently. So the maintenance is about how they are maintain the system to ensure the workers can do their tasks smoothly and to avoid some problems such as breakdown and other problems that we will share with you all. So we have choose the Majlis Bandaraya Melaka as our organisation that we choose to make a research. So there are some specification that we will share with you all, which is the input and output that they use, and hardware and software, and also we have conclude and make some recommendation to share with you all what the Majlis Bandaraya Melaka can improve to ensure the system and maintenance is more can be more effective and efficiently. So let's start.
This is the hardware that have in Majlis Bandaraya Melaka Bersejarah. They have 20 desktop in their office, and each desktop equipped with Gigabyte H110M S2, LGA 1151, DDR4 motherboard, Intel Core i5, and operation system Windows 10. The desktop also linked to printer and fax to easier work processor. Next is a software that has been used in Majlis Bandaraya Melaka Bersejarah. They are using integrated system software in the office to manage all the record management. Using this software, they also can check all the record movement in the office. This software also help the staff to retrieve the file that they want easier. They also can request the file that they want through the software, and the rest will be handled by the staff that handling the record. The other software that has been used in this office is a basic software such as Microsoft Words, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Adobe Acrobat and others to manage all the work process in the office. Okay, next is input and output device. So basically the input and output device that are used in the record department in the Majlis Bandaraya Melaka Bersejarah. There are a few input and output device, and the first is the fingerprint recognition. So basically the record management in the Majlis Bandaraya Melaka Bersejarah install the fingerprint recognition readers in front of their department. So the staff will touch their thumb into the reader, and the reader will recognize their identity. So this is sophisticated and is the staff beside for the security and their management. So the next one is the printer and the fax machine. So basically the printer and the fax machine provide into each of the department. So for the record department, they are linked into they are linked directly into their desktop in the department. So next is the data center, and typically the data center hardware include the readers, the module, the switch, the firewalls, and also the cable. And for the storage resources, They are used such as the hard drive, tape drive, and also the backup storage resources. And for the last one, there are many of the input and output device such as printers, such as keywords, and also mouse. So what can I conclude here is all of these input and output device that are used in the record department of the Majlis Bandaraya Melaka Bersejarah are useful and help the management and the system to run their system and management smoothly.
Hi, my name is Nik Sahal. Okay, for the suggestion or recommendation of Majlis Bandaraya Melaka Bersejarah Record Management System, as we all know, Majlis Bandaraya Melaka is the city council that manage Melaka city in every aspect. And through their management in the organization, we can see they have a system to handle the daily management of data. Furthermore, through their website, they have mostly everything information related to MBMB organization. And MBMB have 14 department and 6 unit. Those in every department they have their own record manager and assistant record manager. Uh, which is their task is to manage the filing system in the record department over the MBMB. However, what we can see, the MBMB record department are decentralized. Those make it not full systematic to manage all the record in the MBMB. So based on our observation of the MBMB record department, we suggest that the record department should be centralized to make sure all the record be managed systematically all over the organization. This is because during our visit to the MBMB, we are being referred to the human resource department where they handle the public guests. As we mentioned earlier, the MBMB have 40 department and 6 unit, which every unit they have their own record manager and assistant record manager. Those we don't have full information about how the record been managed all over the organization. And if they have centralized record management department, it be easier for the guest or the researcher to come and do research. Okay, in addition, the MBMB should conduct a program where they can train their staff to handle the record properly. The is to make sure of the staff have the awareness to handle the record properly and not only depend toward the record manager or assistant record manager only. During our visit to MBMB, we can see the record are being managed poorly by the staff as they tend to only use the record but does not know how the proper way to handle the record. This is important because if the record being managed properly, the lifetime of the record are be shortened. In conclusions, through the technology, there are so many things we can use to manage our life, whether in daily life or work. As you can see during our trip to MBMB, the technology being developed to manage the record in organization. And through this method of using technology, it is being fully utilized to make sure the organization can be more effective and efficient. Uh, and also through the case study, there are few suggestions we can suggest for the MBMB to make sure they can improve their work progress in daily management. And furthermore, in the case study, we can learn new thing to improve our knowledge about the benefit of the technology and how it can help us in our daily life. Thank you.